let's say the names of the animals and what letter they start with. So, jump back on board the bus and let's go!
Beep, 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 beep. Let's go!
Hello! Let's learn the names of the animals. You do what I do when I press the horn. Ready? Great! Alligator! You try. Great job, well done! Let's go learn some more animals. Those are bears. Bears. Roar. You try. Great job, well done. That is a cat. Cat. Great job, well done. That is a dog. Dog. Excellent, well done. Those are elephants. Elephant. Excellent. Those are frogs. Frogs. Ribbit, ribbit. Great job, well done. Those are gorillas. Gorilla. Well done, great job. Those are horses. Horses. Great job, well done. Those are iguanas. Now let's pretend we have an iguana tail. Iguana. Great job, well done. Those are jellyfish. Jellyfish. Great job, well done. Those are koalas. Koala. Very good, well done. Those are lions. Lion. Roar. Great job, well done. Those are monkeys. Monkeys. Ooh, ah. Excellent, well done. Those are narwhals. Narwhal. Great job, well done. Those are otters. Otters. Great job. Those are pigs. Pigs. Great job, well done. That is a queen bee. Queen. Very good. Those are rabbits. Rabbit. Great job, well done. Those are sloths. Sloth. Great job, well done. Those are tigers. Tiger. Roar. Great job, well done. Those are umbrella birds. Umbrella birds. Very good, well done. Those are vultures. The vulture. Excellent! Those are walruses. Walrus. Well done! Those are foxes. Fox. Very good, well done. Those are yaks. Yak. Moo. Very good, well done. Those are zebras. Zebra. Very good, well done. Here we are again at the end of the tour. And there is the bus station. It's time to say goodbye. Oh, what's wrong? You don't want to say goodbye? You want to see the animals again? But with the song?
Yes.
Oh, okay then. Let's go and see the animals one more time.
Yes. Let's go. Woohoo. Mr. Mike's Phonics bus is coming down the street, along with this fat cat who loves to
Alligator.
The horn goes beep. Hop on board, let's learn and leap.
Bears. Roar. Cat. Dog. Elephant. Frogs. Gorilla.
So hop aboard and start the reading trend.
Horses.
Our learning never ends.
Iguana.
We'll laugh, we'll sing.
Jellyfish.
Let knowledge take wing.
Koala.
And writing is so much fun.
Lion. Roar.
It's a grand lesson.
Monkeys. Ooh, ah.
Single day.
Narwhal.
Lead the way.
Otters. Pigs. Queen.
With Mr. Mike's
Rabbit.
we'll read and we'll laugh,
Sloth.
on this bright
Tiger.
take wing.
Umbrella birds.
So much fun from A
The vulture.
grand lesson on this
Walrus.
single
yak. Zebra. Hello! Let's learn the names of the animals again. Ready? A is for alligator. Alligator. B is for bear. Bear. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for frog. Frog. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H is for horse. Horse. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K is for koala. Koala. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for owl. Owl. O is for otter. Otter. P is for pig. Pig. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for sloth. Sloth. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella bird. Umbrella bird. V is for vulture. Vulture. W is for walrus. Walrus. X is for fox. Fox. Y is for yak. Yak. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Here we are again. It's the bus station. Now it really is time to say goodbye. I hope you really enjoyed the song and I hope you remember all those animals. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and press the thumbs up. Goodbye, see you next time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you still need practice, you can download some free flashcards. Also, you can get an extended flashcard pack. Just visit fatcatbooks.uk or check the link in the description. I have many other phonics materials, such as my audio flashcard pack, which comes with a virtual teacher, which allows your child to discover the words with a press of a finger. I also have an awesome colouring poster pack, which is great for decorating the room. These and much more are available in my phonics programs. Just go to fatcatbooks.uk to learn more or check the link in the description. You can learn the alphabet with our A to Z Phonics Animal Alphabet Learning Bundle. It's packed with a range of awesome flashcards for learning the letters, how to write and the sounds, as well as a whole world of animals and their homes. Let's take a look at what you get. You get an animal alphabet poster, along with a letter and animal pronunciation tutorial video hosted by me, Mr. Mike. You can hang this vibrant poster in your classroom or playroom to help your little ones remember each letter alongside an adorable animal illustration. Watch the captivating animal alphabet video to learn all of the animals and the associated letters and sounds. Bring the alphabet and the animal kingdom to life with these fun flashcards. Each letter is paired with an animal whose name starts with the letter. Learn the sounds of the letters and the names of the animals with me, Mr. Mike, in a free video available on my YouTube channel. It's a fun musical lesson to make learning the animals and the alphabet a joyous experience. Our animal alphabet colouring worksheets spark creativity. Each page features a wacky letter that looks like the animal that starts with that letter. From A to adorable alligator to Z for zippy zebra. It includes both uppercase and lowercase letters to let your little artists colour their way through the alphabet while reinforcing letter recognition. Make learning animals and the letters much easier with the Animal Alphabet Trace, Match and Sort flashcards. It's the perfect tool for helping young learners learn the names of a range of animals. Discover 85 cute animals. These creatures are sure to spark curiosity. From the Canadian wilderness to the Australian outback, from the desert sands to the lush rainforest, our flashcards introduce children to a diverse array of animals. Each card focuses on the beginning letter sound of the animal name to help kids learn the consonants and short vowel sounds first. So no animals starting with long vowels, soft C or G or digraphs, like giraffe, which starts with a J sound, not a G sound, or sheep, which starts with a sh sound, not a s sound. This requires extra rules or letters to understand why the sound is different, which we can learn later after mastering the basic letter sounds first. Our visual image leaves a lasting impression. Our flashcards provide cute, vibrant cartoon pictures and real-life photos. The cute cartoons will grab their attention, while the real-life photos give a more memorable context. The real-life flashcards include 3 to 4 photos of animals in their natural habitat. Also, both types of cards provide an easy-to-follow tracing stroke instructions for the first letter of the animal in both uppercase and lowercase forms, as well as tracing for the whole name of the animal. Nurture keen observational skills by comparing real-life photos of similar-looking animals. Encourage them to discuss characteristics and differences. For example, the alligator and the crocodile. Have a look at their snouts. Can you see the difference? Or the turtle and the tortoise. Have a look at where they live. This will improve your child's attention to detail. The font of the letters has been carefully curated to avoid confusion and ensure memorization, ease of writing, and accuracy when reading and writing. For example, the uppercase letter I has the serifs, the 2 horizontal lines, to avoid being confused with the lowercase letter L. We also provide copies of the words that have the letter Q in them with cues that have the distinctive tail to help those students who struggle with confusing P and Q. The cute cartoons and engaging real-life photos help stimulate conversation and are the perfect encouragement for those children who struggle to engage in conversation. Many of the animals are often favourable characters in popular children's books. The flashcards can allow them a chance to share stories and even real-life encounters they've had with these animals. These flashcards aren't just cards, they're interactive games. Print them as sorting mats, such as habitats, and sort the animals into places where they live. This is great for early learners. You can also sort them by animal actions and more advanced homes. This is a good level up for early learners. See if they know what lives in a stable or what makes a burrow. Or match the animals to what body part they have and learn the names of the parts of animal bodies. Some are easy and suitable for early learners, but some can be a bit tricky and are good for more advanced students. For even more advanced students, you can print out biomes and animal classifications, such as mammals, fish, reptile, and so on. Build up their scientific minds by thinking about what makes the animals different from each other and how it helps them live in their biome. Build up to writing letters and strengthen fine motor skills with the range of line, pattern and shape tracing worksheets. After your children trace lines, patterns and shapes, they will be ready to trace both the uppercase and lowercase letters, accompanied by a friendly animal companion, which they can colour. You can focus on reading and writing the animal names with these animal alphabet word tracing and colouring worksheets. Children can trace the animal names and unleash their creativity by colouring the animals. This set of eye-catching flashcards includes 3 types of flashcards. The main flashcard features a letter and a corresponding word that represents the sound, which you can learn along with me, Mr. Mike, in a free video on YouTube. The second type of flashcard provides a collage of delightful illustrations along with the word. The third removes the word so it can be used for quizzes. These versatile flashcards make phonics fun. This bundle includes a total of 610 worksheets, flashcards, posters, and 2 captivating videos, providing hours of educational fun. It covers letter recognition, phonics, training fine motor skills, and building up vocabulary. It's highly engaging with colourful visuals and hands-on activities. The fun, interesting animals also make learning unforgettable. Perfect for teachers, parents, and homeschoolers.